Okay, let's look at this question. A trader buys potatoes and onions in equal quantities every month. He had to spend rupee 3,000 extra this month as the prices of potatoes and onions increased by 25% and 20% respectively. If the trader used to buy potatoes worth rupee 8,000 every month before the price increase, then the amount he had to spend on buying onions this month in INR is okay. So, because of the because of the prices of potatoes and onions increased by 25% and 20%, this trader has to spend 3,000 extra this month, right? So he used to spend 8,000 for potatoes. So total spending on potatoes was 8,000 rupees. Total spending on potatoes was 8,000 rupees, right? Before the price increase. Now, this was the uh, this was the expenditure on potatoes, right? Now, the prices of potatoes increased by 25%, right? Increased by 25%. So now this expenditure also would increase by 25. So increased expenditure on potatoes, increase expenditure on potatoes would be 25% of 8,000, because this was the total spending on potatoes in last month. So it is 1/4 of 8,000, and that is 2,000 rupees. So this increase of 3,000 extra this month, 2,000 is due to the increased expenditure on potatoes, right? Which means that increased expenditure on onions on onions would have been increased expenditure on onions would have been 3,000. This was the total increase in spending this month, minus increase increase in expenditure on potatoes. So that is coming out to be 1,000. Means that increase expenditure on onions has to be 1,000, and the increased expenditure on onions, because the price of onions increased by 25%. So this increased expenditure on onions has to be 20%. 20% of expenditure on onions in last month. Expenditure on onions in last month, and that is equal to 1,000, right? This is the increased expenditure. So expenditure on onions last month is coming out to be this is 20% is 1/5. So if I cross multiply, I'm getting expenditure last month as 5,000, right? I need to find the amount he has to spend on buying onions this month. This is the increased price. So expenditure in current month on onions. This is on onions would be 5,000 was the expenditure of last month. Increased expenditure is 1,000 rupees. So it has to be 6,000. Right? So correct answer is option D. I hope you like this way. I have not assumed any quantity of potatoes bought or onions bought, right? I just assumed what is the price increase, right? What is the percentage increase in price? And this has to be the increase in expenditure. And correct answer is option D.